Hey everyone, my name is Vince and I'm here to introduce you today to Pi, a new digital currency for and by the people. Today's global economy is not working for too many people across the world. 90% of the world's population holds just 15% of the world's wealth. Pi is a new digital currency designed by Stanford PhDs that's meant to give billions of people across the world their fair share of the global economy. To do that, we built a mobile application that's fueled by Pi. Pi is backed by the collective resources that each of us contribute to the network. The first resource we'll be contributing is our attention. By pooling our attention and eyeballs together, we turn them into a valuable resource that other people will pay for. Now, attention is just the first resource. You'll eventually be able to contribute both skills and expertise to the Pi network as well. It's these contributions that will help us build and grow a peer-to-peer marketplace of goods and services that you'll be able to buy with Pi. Now, to become a member, all you need to do is download the mobile application and prove your presence daily in order to earn Pi. The Pi that you earn is your stake in the network. The more you contribute to the network, the more Pi you'll be able to earn, and the more you'll be able to gain as the global Pi network grows. Today's economy is not working for enough people. Join us today in building Pi, a new digital currency for and by the people, and a fresh start for us all.